Hanuman Chalisa in English rhyme with original text. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhari Barano Ragbar Bimal Jasu Jo Dayaku Alchari. With the dust of Guru's lotus feet having, I cleanse the mirror of my soul sparkling. Raghuvar's spotless glory I be singing. The four fruits of life it ever is giving. बुद्धिहीन तनु जान के सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देह मोय अरहु कलेस विकार. I void of all the wisdom but realizing, on the son of the wind am meditating. Strength, wisdom, knowledge be his blessing. Of the suffering and sin may he be removing. जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीस तेहु लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा. Hail Hanuman, ocean of knowledge and virtue be. Hail God Warner, enlightener of the worlds truly. Ram's envoy, having incomparable might you be. Son of Anjani and called Pavansu lovingly. Mahabir Bikram Bajrangi Kumit Nivar Sumit Ke Sangi Kanchan Baran Biraj Suresa Kanan Kundal Kunchit Kesa. Mighty, valiant, radiant as thunderbolt you be. Banisher of wickedness, defender of wife surely. Golden hued, brilliant and bedecked charmingly. Ear pendants sparkling, and your head hair curly. हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा बिराजय कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजय. शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगबंदन. Your strong hands with thunderbolt and Ram's flag be. Across your shoulder holy Janeo ornamented shortly. O Shankar's son, the delight of Kesari, earnestly, and worldwide is adored your greatness and glory. विद्यावान गुनी अति चातुर राम काज करबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनबे को रसिया Ram Lakhan Sita Man Basiya. Learned, accomplished, and wise exceedingly. Relentlessly carrying out Ram's work unerringly. And Ram's action as a beloved you hear eagerly. In your heart Ram, Lakshman and Sita dwell certainly. सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियाई दिखावा विकट रूप धरि लंक चलावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे. Before Sita, you appeared in a supple form only, but burnt Lanka in your awesome form clearly. In your gigantic form, you slew demons certainly, and handled the work of Ramchandra earnestly. लाए सजीवन लखन जी आए श्री रघुबीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीन ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही संभाई. You saved Lakshman by getting Sanjeevani swiftly. Then Lord Ram clasped you to himself joyously, and Raghupati praised you ever wholeheartedly. You as dear to me as my brother Bharat surely. सहस बदन तुम रोजस गावे अस कहीं श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादि ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा नारद सारद सहित अहिसा. Even the 1,000-headed serpent sings your glory. So saying, Shripat, Sita's husband, embraces fondly. Sanak and Brahma, the other sages so holy, along with Narad and Sharad, who sing your glory. जम कुबेर दिक्पाल जहाँ ते, कवि कोविद कहीं सके कहाँ ते। तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपथ दीन्हा। Yam, Kuber and Dikpal, but ever sing earnestly, as poets and scholars, in your praise eternally. To Sugriv you rendered your service gracefully, bringing Ram to him, showing kingdom's path totally. तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना। जुग सहस्त्र योजन पर भानु, ल्यू ताहि मधुर फल जानु। Vibhishan, on heeding your advice humbly, became Lanka's king, the world knows finally. From thousands of miles in childhood fantasy, you swallowed the sun, thinking it a fruit juicy. प्रभु मुद्रिका मेल मुख माही, जलद लांघ गए अचरज नाही। दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हरे तेते। With Lord Ram's ring in your mouth totally, you hopped across the ocean, not surprisingly. However difficult be all the tasks worldly, by your favor be rendered possible easily. राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे। सब कुछ लहो तुम्हारी सरना, तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना। You the guardian of Ram's gate certainly, without your order none can enter clearly. All bliss be got by surrender to you fully. If you be the savior, fear is lost totally. आपन तेज समारो आप है, तीनों लोक हाँकते कापे। भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे। You but control your blazing splendor only. The three worlds tremble with your roar surely. Ghosts and goblins dare not come near fearfully, when your name Mahavir is sung repeatedly. नासे रोग हरै सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीरा। संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन क्रम बचन ध्यान जो लावे। Illness destroyed and pain removed be, who repeat your name ever unceasingly. Hanuman frees one from all the calamities, if on thoughts, words, deeds reflect truly. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा। और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सो अमृत जीवन फल पावे। Though Ram the supreme est Lord be, yet Hanuman fulfills his work successfully. Whoever craves for you will undoubtedly be sipping life's nectar through life contently. चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा। साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे। Through all 4 ages famed is your glory. With all the fame you enlighten the world fully. You the protector of saints and sages clearly, demons destroyer and Ram's dear certainly. अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता। राम रसायन तुमरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा। You of 8 siddhi 9 nidhi giver be, as Mother Janki gave this boon happily. You, the storehouse of Ram's love surely, remaining Ram's servant ever unceasingly. तुमरे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंतकाल रहुवर पर जाई, जहां जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई. Ram enjoys your praise and hymns clearly. Free sadness of rebirth, transmigratory. In last days, Ram is achieved by your devotee. In birth, who ever known as Hari's devotee? और देवता चित न धरई, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करई, संकट कटय मिटय सब पीरा, जो सुमरय हनुमंत बलबीरा. Those who don't cherish any other god thee, by serving Hanuman, still enjoy bliss fully. Anyone repeating Hanuman's name repeatedly removes the sufferings and the calamities. जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करऊं गुरुदेव की नाही, जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई. To Hanuman, all the jays and glory, be gracious to me as my Guru finally. Those reciting these lines certainly be bondage free, enjoying endless bliss only. जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होए सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा, तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा, जय नाथ हृदय महाडेरा. Those reciting the Hanuman Chalisa be attaining perfection, Lord Shiv guarantees. Tulsidas imploring Hanuman ever consistently to reside in his heart, as in Ram, Hanuman does be. पवन तनय संकट हरन, मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप. Pavan Putra, of all calamities you dispelling, the very embodiment of all the blessings, King of immortals, in my heart be dwelling, with Ram, Lakshman and Sita be ever residing. muninmishra.blogspot.com